channel. Definitely not Jeffree Star, but I am Diana. I'm going to be doing a Christmas Eve look that I'm doing for tonight. So basically I'm getting ready now and I haven't even done my look, so I don't even know what I'm doing. So as a base, because obviously before primer we have to set our face so that everything stays on, we're going to be using the Badescu, I don't know how to say it, the Buttermilk Moisturiser. It is amazing for combination skin because for skin types it literally says CS if it focuses. And yeah, hopefully it works for you guys. It definitely will work. And we're going to be using the Beige Cosmetics 8 brush, which I use this on my clients and also myself. Just made some weird noise, but I'm just going to put this all over our face. Wait, I'm going to be closer. For primer, we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. And this is perfect for a base. Obviously, it's a base. And we're just going to do the exact same thing. And also we're going to be using the exact same brush and just going to be putting this in the areas. Well, for me, the areas that always come off for some reason is my T-zone. And I'm going to be putting it on my eyelids also as a base. Eyebrows, chin, cupid's bow, and then the rest just scattered. So to shape my eyebrows, I use the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair, which is one of the lighter shades because I'm white. And I'm always white and always will be. So now we're going to prime our eyes. We'll do a base for our eyes. Same thing. And we're going to be using the best ever the best ever eyelid primer for eyeshadow I have ever used in my life. It is the Plouise Academy primer. It is literally white. Like I could literally use this as liquid tape, who knows, but it is amazing. You will only need about that much to put on your eyes. For the brush, we're going to be using the Morphe M224. I'm pretty sure like every YouTuber uses this. And just tap it on like paint. As you can see, I've done this eye off camera. It's kind of like warm tone things, type of sunset. I'll show you what palette I use. The Huda Beauty Coral palette. It is my new favorite palette. Like, I have green eyes, so obviously green eyes is kind of gonna like reflect the colors. The first shade we're going to use is this shade, and we're going to place that in our crease. The brush we're going to use is the Morphe Y19. Tap it in and then blend. Tap in again and then blend. This will allow it to not go too far up yet because we're going to be doing that later on. Next shade we are going to use will be this shade. I'm going to place it just here. Tap it in and blend. Try not to touch this area because we're more focusing it underneath. If you can see everything higher now. Softly though, not too hard. Shade Morphe R41 brush. So we are going to work on this area, not here, just here and below, because it will get cut off later on when we do our crease. Just blend it in like this. Keep it low and make sure that if you don't have this brush, use a pencil brush similar to this so it just focuses in that area. That out again. As you can see, you've pretty much got all the transition shades on. It's like three transition shades. Now we're going to move on to this part of our crease. I'm going to use this brown shade. It is not warm, it is more of a cool shade, kind of like an orangey toned one. To cut out our crease, we're going to be using the Plouise base, and we're going to only need a little bit because we're going to use a small brush to just put the base out. So I'm going to be using this random brush, I think from Girly Cosmetics, I don't even know. So we need about this much. Just cut your crease out. So for me, I don't know what eye shape I have. I think I like hooded eyes, but you can still see the shape. So it's kind of like the middle between hooded eyes and lot. And just put your head a bit back to it and have the mirror underneath. So I have the mirror underneath. And just focus on where your crease ends. So for me, my crease ends just here, and just focus on it like this and cut it out. See how it kind of, I cut it out so that you can see it. So I do a bit higher than my crease line. The higher the better, and how much you can see it is. So for me that's a good length. So I wouldn't go any higher than that. Now I'll just tap in here to fill it in and bring it out a bit, make the top a bit more broad out. And there you go, you've cut out your crease. So eyeshadow, we're going to obviously go back to the Huda Beauty palette, and we are going to use this shade. The brush that we're going to apply it with, we're going to use a random Morphe brush that I found. It does not have a number, and we're going to just tap, not wipe, because wiping is going to take up the base and move it around. So we're going to tap on the base, the shadow, and kind of cut our crease. And we're kind of bring it out a bit. To blend out the crease color and this part, we're going to use this beautiful brown shade, and don't bring it too out or else it'll just look a bit muddy. Using the Beige Cosmetics number 8 brush for this. It's kind of soft, so it's perfect for the outer crease. We're just going to put it softly on our lash line. Reason being, we only want a little bit, just so it kind of covers between like the lashes. And so for lashes, we're going to use Ruby lashes. Very fluffy lashes. They are gorgeous. I love them. While the lashes are drying, we'll do my under eyes. So for under my eyes, we're going to just use the yellow from the palette. We're going to start off with the yellow color, coral yellow. I don't know. This palette does have a lot of fallout, so it's going to get very powdery. It's very pretty though, because it is a very gorgeous palette, and I definitely will reuse it. So we're going to do our under eyes, so just do yellow first. Yellow is different. Usually I wouldn't do like a yellow color, but kind of liven it. So just going to place the red. We've used the red already, and just going to place that underneath again. We are going to use the brown color, and we're just going to focus that on our outer edge. The lashes, you know what, honestly, I just have to drop everything. The process is so it's so annoying. To start off with foundation, we're going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation in Creamy Vanilla. So you know, this does not match me. I just love the formula so much and I want to use it. So yeah, we're just going to place that all around our face. Anyways, so basically what I do is I literally just tap it because it's cold. I feel like it makes the thing better. And I just tap around like that. So as you guys saw, I just tap around, and for the leftovers I will use that later. So basically when I blend it out, I use my Morphe G36 brush. I use my Morphe G36 brush and I just tap, because this does not match at all. I'll never use a foundation that matches. I'm yellow toned, I'm not pink, because I don't know if you guys can see, I'm more like white, but like not that pink white. Like I will not go pink ever. But yeah, anyways, just tap that around. It's a very full coverage foundation. A little goes a long way. It's a really nice formula too. Obviously I want more coverage, like it's Christmas, come on. For concealer, we're going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair, and we're going to pack this on. I don't really pack it on, but for special events like Christmas, you have to. So I'm just gonna, you know, make myself look painted. To blend out the concealer, I always use this Peach Perfect spray in a beauty blender to kind of, just so it sets in. It smells so good too, so. Oh my god, it's broken. Oh, it smells like peaches, like that's the best part. I always do the under eyes first because I can like set it straight away. So I can always blend out the top easily. So I'm gonna blend underneath here. Literally, this is a highlight of the gods. Like, my face is like, I think it's gone back to the white that I really am, you know? Wow, I'm so white. Okay, now let's do this side. No, not tanned. What am I saying? I don't even know. For setting powder, I'm using the Peach Perfect powder, you can see. And I'm just going to touch it. Setting. I do not bake, I press in like heavily. This kind of puts colour there, so I'm not looking like a white ghost. It takes the flashback out of concealers, surprisingly. So I'm not looking like flashback Mary. Jokes, I love James Charles, he's the best YouTuber. I want to get his palette, like the artistry palette. It is beautiful. So that side is set. It doesn't look as white as it was before. I'm just pressing using the Real Beauty blender because I ain't for that cheap stuff. Everything I have is expensive, like makeup wise, like cheap clothes, expensive makeup. So to contour my face, I'm going to cream contour today, except I don't really go too dark straight away. I just kind of build up. So I'm going to use medium dark 32 from Colourpop, their no filter concealer. And I'm just going to do it on the high points only. So I'm not going to bring it out here. It's just going to be here. So for this side, I'm looking in the mirror while doing it. I'm going to go like, it's not really dark. Like I know it's not dark. It's just like I'm going to contour lightly. I'm just going to focus it there. This does get very dry quickly. It does dry out quickly on your skin. So I will blend it out. To blend it out, I'm going to use the Morphe E7. I already forgot that. I just looked at it. And it's like a kabuki brush, but it's nice and soft, brand new. I haven't even used it, like once only. And yeah, I'm just going to blend it out. And it's just, I don't want to blend, I don't want to contour too hard or else it's gonna like look cakey on me. And I don't like when it looks cakey on me because I'm white and I don't want it to look muddy. So can you see how it just kind of lightly just shapes the face on this side, being it nice and high. I always leave it above my cheekbones, like on it. And this will just keep the nice shape. If I was tanned, I would have got a lot, but I'm white, so no. So on this side, I'll just do this much. So I'm just going to focus this along the line here. Obviously not too heavy, and I kind of shape it like that. And then this side, and then shape it again. I like to bring it close to the middle of my nose. You know, it makes it smaller. So now we're going to blend it out using a beauty blender because this is too big. I mean, we can try. Nah, it's too big. So we're going to use a beauty blender and we're just going to blend it down. I mean upwards, sorry. So blend it upwards, but keep it in. Or just blend it on the spot really fast. So as you guys can see, I blended it out. I'm trying to look in the mirror at the same time. It's so hard. So that is done. Now we're going to bronze. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Hoola Benefit bronzer. And the brush we're going to use is the Morphe M523 brush. Okay, so we're just going to focus on top of our cheekbones, not low. So like this. I'm going to go like this so you guys, because I don't have a mirror like directly in front of me. So yeah. Okay. I'm keeping it high and I'm not bringing it too forward in my face either. So I'm just keeping it up here like that. Because I don't want to bring it too forward. Yeah, we're just keeping it subtle, but not too low. Because if we put it too low, then it'll look a bit crazy. So we'll just keep it up here. I'm not going to over exaggerate the bronzer just for the video because I want to use it for when I go out tonight. To contour my nose, I'm going to use the Morphe M580 brush to do it, and it's going to look snatched. So I literally just put it on the edge like this. So not the whole brush, just the edge, and I like tap it on my hands a bit just so it's not too harsh. Then I just place it on my nose. It'll look a bit crazy now, but it's okay. We have to blend it out like right after. To blend it out, we use a random Morphe brush that is from the 15-piece set and just blend it. The first blush that I apply is the MAC Peaches blush. The best blush, I'm telling you, this is my favorite. Is on all my clients and myself. Like, I've used it that much that it hasn't even hit pan yet, but I'm telling you, like, this is the first time I ever bought it and I was like, whoa, like I am in love with this blush. Apply the blush. I used the Morphe M438 brush. Anyways, I'm going to lightly tap it because you don't want to, you want to build it up. You don't want it to be too harsh first. You want to build it up so it looks more flawless and natural. So I'm just going to smile. So I'm not going to talk while doing it because I'm smiling. So yeah, I'm going to smile and just place it on. You'll see. That is too harsh. Okay. So I'm a bit of a dumb person. I did it too low. So usually I put it up here, but I don't know what I was thinking today. You know what? It's actually looking okay. Okay, don't worry. Ignore what I said. It's fine. Alright, now smile again. I love blush. I love it, but I'm not going to make myself look like Pinocchio or like a clown. I don't know. Anyways, keep smiling. I feel like this side's better than this side today, just overall. I always put a bit on my forehead to add some colour because, you know, I'm white. I need colour. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the shade Summer, and I'm just going to tap in it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush, so extra, And I'm just gonna focus on my cheekbones for this, top of the cheekbone. And then I go in the front and I smile, and I put a little bit on my smile. And then back up here, and then the front where I smile. For my inner corners, I'm going to use the Australis pressed pigments. That's like wet feeling, I don't know, in Amy Whitehouse. And I'm going to use my Morphe brush that I used to place it before. It doesn't really like hold onto it much, but that's okay. Anyways, so I'm just going to go in my inner corners of that. Wow, like it really highlights, man. And I'm going to use this shade on my nose carefully because I've got the line from when I contoured. And it's so pretty, like. For my lips, I'm going to start off with the Essence lip liner in Wish Me a Rose. And I'm just going to slightly outline it. I'm going to do a pinky lip today. I don't know. I feel like pink is perfect for Christmas. Yeah, anyways, I overlined my lips. Oh, by the way, these are $2.50 each. If you go on Priceline when it's on sale, it's $2.50. I just said that. It's like cheaper and like $1.20. I don't know, half $1.25. So long story about the lipstick I'm about to use is this mini 4-pack from Anastasia Beverly Hills that is cute. There's 4 shades. There's the nude packet and then there's the berries packet. And I wanted the nude one, but no, I bought berries. And of course, someone took all the nude ones, so there was only berries left. Now I'm stuck with the berries colour, but it's okay. This is perfect for the look. I don't wear pinks, but today I am. So anyways, I'm going to use the Colourpop Flurris lip colour and just put that on my lips. For setting spray, I got this. Okay, so for setting spray, I got this sample from Mecca, and it's the Metamorphosis. Let's just call it that. Hydrating mist, supercharged for urban defense. I'm gonna try it out. And let's just make sure this is setting spray, because once I sprayed the water all over my face after my makeup, I didn't know it was water. I thought it was a setting spray. It wasn't. It says for application. So basically you can put this on your makeup and reapply it throughout the day. So I'm assuming it says put on your makeup, so it's going to be for your makeup. Spray it. It's like a setting spray. I think it's a setting spray. Wait, let me see. It's a weird color. I don't know. I think it's coming out. Is this special? Ooh. Oh, it smells nice. Okay. That was strong. Ooh, I really like this. It's kind of Christmassy. Okay. You know, I cannot speak. This is really Christmassy. Oh my god, it's actually cute. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys all love it. It's very Christmassy. Like, I'm just looking at the monitor right now. You can see that highlight, the lip color, brows, eyes popping because my eyes are green and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna do more videos like this. So this is Christmas Eve look, by the way, like Christmas Day. Christmas Day, I think I'm gonna do like more of a yellow color. As we'll see anyways. This will probably be posted in February. Don't even be surprised. If you guys enjoyed it, if you really liked this video, put a thumbs up. If you absolutely hated it, put a thumbs up, because you need to be positive, no negativity. And yeah, just comment down below what you thought of the video, what type of more videos you want to see. And yeah, I hope you guys loved it. And I'll do a little, you know, selfie of myself and stuff. Again, because I just did it before. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys loved it. Love you all. Bye. And have a Merry Christmas.